Welcome back. So this is another Carnegie Mellon activity. This is Hungry Panda. This is part of their Introduction to Programming curriculum. So if we hit run here and we go to solution, every time we click the mouse, we have the bamboo gets eaten, and we can kind of see it looks like his cheek bulges out here. And it looks like the bamboo moves a little bit too. Oh, so I see now. So when we move the mouse down, the bamboo goes this way. And then this appears over here, and the amount of bamboo eaten goes up. So every time we click the mouse, it goes up, and the mouth moves. So we got a few things we're going to add on to here. The first thing that we need to do is they actually have this counter up here. And so we're going to remove just real quick to go back to that. There is a comment that's commented this out, so just backspace and remove that. And so now we need to add the counter. So if I hold down Control, I can see where the label is at. So it's 320 and 25 and the size. And it starts with 0. Okay, we're gonna make that go up, but when we start out, that label is just gonna be 0, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna say that it was 320 and I believe it was 25. Okay, and then it was size was going to be 25. Okay, you don't have to worry about Arial because that's a default value, so don't have to add that. Okay, so that's done. So that goes along with this amount of bamboo eaten, and this just shows up over here on the side. So if we were to run this in hours, we can see that we now have that right there. Now we don't have it going up yet, but we're going to take care of that down here on the mouse press. Okay. All right. Okay, so now that we got our counter, so if we look through our code here that's already completed, we can see we've got the bamboo. So we'll have to, when we click on this solution and we run this, when we click, we've got the mouth and we got the cheek and we got the bamboo moves, right? But if we notice, like we have a thing called full cheek and the visibility is false. So what that tells me is we really just need to make the full cheek visible, and that will show up here, because right now it's not visible. Okay, we can kind of see too, and maybe the full cheek actually probably has black. Something with the mouth here too. It might impact the mouth as well. I'm almost positive it deals with the mouth too, because we have our mouth up here. Okay. And let's go ahead and we'll tinker with that a little bit here. So on the mouse press, I'm going to get rid of this. Okay. Okay, so let's add the mouth dot visible. And that's going to be false. So we're going to turn that off because up here the mouth is visible right here. So we're going to make the mouth visible, so we make the mouth visible. It's going to be false. And then that full cheek that we have right here, is going to be true. Okay, I think this should run. Yeah, that fixed the mouth and that was the cheek. Now what we need to do is move the bamboo. Okay, real quick, when we do the bamboo, we can see the bamboo right here. There's an X and a Y, and there's an X and a Y because it's a line. So we're going to take, let's go ahead and run. So when we run this, we can see that it moves. So it starts out here, 190, 265, and then mouse down is 170, 295. So it goes from this location to this location. So what we want to do is say that, and the other location is down here off the screen, so that doesn't move. It's this other one. So we're going to say that X1, because it's this, or I'm sorry, bamboo right here. So x1 is equal to, and then bamboo dot y1 is equal to. So when we look at this, click the mouse down, hold this, it's 170, 295. So the x1 is 170 and the y1 is 295. Okay? And then 295. All right, so now, so that should be good. Let's run that again. And now we got that part. Now it doesn't go back up for us right now, but we got the mouth, we got the full cheek, and we got the bamboo moved. Now we need to also, because this isn't changing yet, so we got to do our counter. That's really easy. We're just going to change the value of the counter. And actually, let's skip this down a little bit, move it to more. Okay, so here's our counter right here. But that's easy to do. We can just do value is plus equal 1. So then it's just going to go up by 1. And we can test that too. So when we pressed it down, it went up by 1. So that's perfect. Now on the mouse release, what we need to do is we need to take these, okay, these that we had, and we're going to place them down here. But now we're going to change this. So this is now going to be true. This is going to be false. And then we're going to take this, and it's going to be 190, so we can see that this, oops, the bamboo x1 and y1 need to go back to original where it was right here. So we can see that that's 190, 265. So we can do 190, 265. Okay? So all we're really doing is making the mouth go back to where it was located. Full cheek is now visible, or not visible, and then the bamboo x1 and y1. And we don't need to change the value. That's just going to keep going up. So if we run this now, so it went up by 1, mouth, full cheek, bamboo, let go of it, it goes back to where it was with the mouth and the bamboo. And then when we do it again, changes that, you get the new mouth, the full cheek, and the bamboo again. Okay? So that's it. There you go. This one can be a little confusing. Really, though, all we're doing is making these, changing the visibility right here, and then changing the Y location and X location for the bamboo, and adding in a counter. Okay? All right. Hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.